Hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So I have had a craving recently for lo mein noodles. So today I'm going to make a beef and broccoli lo mein. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious and it is super easy. So you're going to want to stay with me for this one. So all my ingredients are here on my counter, and I am going to go over them with you and walk you through step by step in how to make this dish. And I know that many of you are looking for quick and easy recipes to fix for your family for dinner, and this is a perfect one. And kids, they love anything with noodles or pasta, so they're gonna love this one. Now today I am using the brown rice noodles, and these cook up super quick, and they are gluten-free if you need that. But you could also use linguine pasta or even a package of ramen noodles. That would work as well. The beef that I'm using is ribeye steaks that I have sliced as thin as I possibly can, and this is right around a pound. Then I also have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, and this is a low sodium, 2 tablespoons of hoisin. This just adds a deeper, richer flavor, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then for my beef broth, you can just use a can or a carton of beef broth. Today I'm actually going to make my own. I'm going to use this beef flavored base, which it does not contain any MSG. And I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon to 2 cups of hot water. And then I have 1/4 of a cup of chopped green onion, 2 garlic cloves, and then my ginger. Now I keep my ginger in the freezer. I peel it and then I just store it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. And I have a shorts video on exactly how I do that if you're interested. And then I have 2 cups of chopped broccoli and then a little bit of sriracha. This is optional. If you want to add a little bit of a spice and a kick to your sauce, you can use that. And then, like I said, I'm using the brown rice noodles today. I'm going to add my olive oil to my skillet. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding my steak. I am grating my frozen ginger, and as you can see, this makes it so much easier. And I want about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So to my beef broth, I'm going to add my soy sauce and the hoisin sauce. And then I'm going to add the cornstarch. Then I'm going to add the brown sugar. And I'm going to give a good squirt of the sriracha. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped broccoli and my green onion. And I also have a pot of water here that I am bringing up to a boil. And I'm going to salt this water very generously. Once this water comes up to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat off and drop my pasta in. But the next thing I'm going to do is add this sauce. And now I'm going to cover this and let this cook for about 5 minutes until that broccoli is nice and tender and the sauce thickens. All right, so my water has started to boil. I'm going to turn the fire off, and then I'm going to drop these brown rice noodle bundles into this hot water. And take a nice, my utensil here, I'm just going to break these up, and I'm going to let these sit for about 5 minutes until they're nice and tender. All right, so my noodles have been in this hot water, And I just tested them to see where they were. I pinched off a piece. And they're tender, but they still have a bite, so that is good. I'm going to add them to my sauce, and if they need to finish cooking, they can finish cooking in that sauce. So this literally, I don't know if it took me 20 minutes to make this, but boy does it hit the spot. Now if you love beef and broccoli, you're gonna love this lo mein. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.